You won't believe how many amazing gardening essentials are just sitting on Dollar Tree shelves, waiting to upgrade your garden without wrecking your wallet. Whether you're growing flowers, herbs, or a whole backyard oasis, these affordable finds are total game changers. Hi friends, and welcome back to Timeless Garden, where we turn budget-friendly ideas into beautiful garden magic. If you're all about gardening smarter, not pricier, you're going to love what I've rounded up today. So hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and let's dive into 25 essential gardening items you can grab at Dollar Tree today. Some of these are practical, some are clever, but all of them are worth every single dollar. Let's get started. Item 1. Stackable Garden Pots. If you've never used these before, you're about to fall in love. Dollar Tree's stackable garden pots aren't just cute, they're a total space-saver miracle. Whether you've got a tiny patio, a bare balcony, or just want to make your garden look more layered and styled, these little planters do the trick. You can grow strawberries, herbs, succulents, or even trailing flowers like petunias or lobelia. Just fill each layer with soil, plant your picks, and stack them right on top of each other. Want to get extra fancy? Alternate colors, add plant labels from the craft section, or pop them on a plant stand for height. It's vertical gardening made chic, and it looks like something you'd pay triple for at a garden center. Item 2. Mini Trellises. These tiny plastic trellises from Dollar Tree may not look like much on the shelf, but in your garden they're magic. They're ideal for climbing plants like sweet peas, mini cucumbers, or even decorative vines like morning glories. Just pop one into a pot, or directly into your garden bed, and let your plants climb their way to beauty. Want a more upscale look? Try spray painting the trellises black, bronze, or matte white. You can even zip tie a few together to create a custom size or pattern. They also work beautifully indoors for training vining houseplants like pothos or ivy. It's structure, support, and style, all for a couple of bucks. Item 3. Garden Claw Gloves. If you haven't tried the garden gloves with built-in claws from Dollar Tree, you're seriously missing out. These quirky-looking gloves aren't just for show. The plastic claws on one hand make digging, planting, and raking small patches of soil super easy. No hand tools needed. They're especially handy for flower beds, raised planters, or any spot where you're doing quick work. And if you're not a fan of getting dirt under your nails, these are a game changer. The gloves are durable enough for most gardening tasks, yet flexible so your hands don't feel stiff or sweaty. They're functional, fun, and surprisingly satisfying to use. One dig and you'll be hooked. Shall we move on to next item? Item 4. Stackable Plant Clips. These little green clips might not look like much, but they're absolute lifesavers when it comes to keeping your plants upright and organized. Whether you're training climbing vines, supporting tomato stems, or holding together unruly branches, Dollar Tree's plant clips are the quiet heroes of a tidy garden. They snap on easily without damaging the stem, and are reusable season after season. You can also use them to gently guide your plants along a trellis or bamboo stake, making your whole setup look neat and intentional. Perfect for both new and seasoned gardeners, and trust me, once you start using them you'll wonder how you ever managed without them. Ready for item 5. Item 5. Plastic Garden Fencing. Dollar Tree's lightweight plastic garden fencing might be one of the most underrated items in the store. It comes in short panels that click together, and while it's technically decorative, it's surprisingly useful. Use it to edge flower beds, keep pets out of freshly seeded areas, or even divide sections of your garden for visual appeal. Some gardeners even spray paint them gold or black to match their patio or garden aesthetic. Instant upgrade. It's flexible, easy to install, and gives your space a more polished, well-maintained look without spending big on actual fencing supplies. Shall we roll into the next item? Item 6. Stackable Plant Pots. Dollar Tree's stackable plastic pots are perfect for vertical gardening, especially when you're short on space or want to create an eye-catching display. These pots are usually about 6 inches wide and nest neatly when stacked. You can plant strawberries, herbs, succulents, or small flowers in each level. Just rotate each one a bit so the plants cascade beautifully down the sides. Stack 3 to 5 high, secure them with a dowel through the middle or zip tie them together for stability, and voila, you've got a mini garden tower that looks high-end but cost you less than a sandwich. Want to jump into item 7? Item 7. Plastic Cloche Domes protect your seedlings with a clever Dollar Tree hack. Use clear plastic bowls as DIY Cloche Domes. Just flip them upside down over young plants to create a mini greenhouse that traps warmth and shields from wind, rain, and pests. They let sunlight through, and with a few ventilation holes poked in the top, you've got the perfect environment for growth. Add a decorative knob on top if you want to make it cute too. Simple, affordable, and surprisingly effective for giving your garden a head start. Item 8. Bamboo skewers and plant labels. Never forget what you planted again. Dollar Tree's bamboo skewers and plant labels make it easy to keep your garden neat and organized. Just write your plant names on plastic tags or mini chalkboards, attach them to skewers and pop them into the soil. Want to color code by type? Paint the tips, green for herbs, red for veggies, blue for blooms. It's practical, charming, and saves you from mystery sprouts later on. A small fix that adds big personality to your garden. Item 9. Hanging basket chains. These little chains do way more than just hold baskets. At Dollar Tree they're like garden jewelry, adding height, style, and movement to your space. Clip one onto a wire basket lined with burlap or coconut fiber, and voila, a floating floral display that looks boutique-worthy. Or think outside the basket, use them to hang lanterns, create a vertical herb wall, or layer planters up a porch post. Perfect for small patios or cozy corners, where floor space is tight, but style is still a must. Who knew a couple of $1 chains could feel so designer? Item 10. Decorative garden fencing. Now let's talk about one of the most underrated beauties at Dollar Tree, the decorative garden fencing. At first glance you might pass these up, thinking they're just flimsy plastic, but with a little imagination, they become the perfect tool for shaping your outdoor space into something truly special. Use them to define garden beds, of course, but also to create charming little rooms within your patio or flower patches. You can curve them around a cluster of potted plants to make it feel intentional and elevated, or line a pathway for a romantic storybook vibe that leads guests through your garden like a secret trail. They also work beautifully to hide less than glamorous spots, like utility meters, compost bins, or even that one corner you're still figuring out. Just pop the fencing in front and let the magic of suggestion do the rest. Item 11. Hanging plant brackets. Now we're stepping up, literally. Dollar Tree's hanging plant brackets may be small, but the vertical impact they bring to your space is huge. Mount them on fences, deck posts, or even an old wooden crate propped up in a corner, and suddenly, you've got height, movement, and depth. It's the kind of detail that makes a garden look layered and styled, like you planned it all down to the last petal. Use them to hang classic pots of petunias or trailing ivy, or get creative with Dollar Tree metal buckets, painted and punched with drainage holes. Even a basket lined with coconut fiber and filled with herbs can become a little moment of magic, suspended in the air. It's the kind of trick that makes your garden feel more like a curated sanctuary, and less like a weekend project. Item 12. Galvanized metal buckets. These humble galvanized metal buckets at Dollar Tree are an absolute goldmine for garden style. And no, they're not just for holding ice at parties. With just a few tweaks, they become rustic chic planters, herb holders, centerpiece bases, you name it. Drill a few holes in the bottom for drainage, line with a bit of gravel or coconut fiber, and you've got a planter that looks straight out of a farmhouse garden magazine. Group a few together at different heights, or mix them in with terracotta pots for a more eclectic look. You can even use them as bases for topiaries, or fill them with moss and fairy lights for a romantic evening glow. They're lightweight, durable, and their silvery finish bounces sunlight beautifully around your space. That little metallic sheen, it gives everything a fresh, clean polish, like you spent way more than a couple of bucks per piece. Sometimes it's the simplest containers that bring the most character. And these buckets, total scene stealers. Item 13. Plastic lattice panels. These plastic lattice panels from Dollar Tree might look basic, but they're a hidden gem for creative gardeners. Cut them to size and use them as vertical trellises, privacy screens, or even decorative backdrops for your patio. A quick coat of spray paint transforms them, white for that airy cottage feel, or black for modern chic. Add S-hooks and hang planters or lights, and suddenly you've got a custom garden wall that looks like it came out of a design magazine. Lightweight, flexible, and full of potential, these panels are your garden's new secret weapon. Item 14. Dollar Tree shower caddies. Yes, shower caddies, but not for you, Dofford. These wire wonders are actually secret superheroes in the garden. Hang them on your fence, the side of a shed, or a trellis using simple zip ties or hooks. Instantly you've got a vertical organizer for small pots, tools, gloves, seed packets, whatever you want off the ground and within easy reach. You can even line them with cocoa liners or landscape fabric and turn them into little hanging herb planters. Want a rustic touch? Spray paint them black or bronze and pair them with twine or wood accents. They'll look like something out of a boutique gardening catalog. And if you've got a small space or balcony garden, these are a must. They maximize vertical space without needing shelves, nails, or anything bulky. It's one of those hacks that makes you think, why didn't I do this sooner? Item $15 tree mesh strainers. These little kitchen tools are surprisingly handy in the garden, and not just for rinsing herbs. Use mesh strainers to gently sift soil for seed starting trays or to remove small rocks and debris from your potting mix. They're especially helpful if you're reusing old soil or compost and want a finer texture for delicate seedlings. You can also use them as temporary protective covers for small seedlings. Just pop one over a young sprout, and you've got a mini dome that shields from curious pests or heavy rain while still letting in light and air. And if you're growing anything from seed, they're a lifesaver for gently sprinkling soil over tiny seeds without packing it down too much. No more clumpy, uneven layers. It's a small item with unexpectedly big value. Item $16 tree shower curtain liners. Think beyond the bathroom. These inexpensive shower curtain liners are a gardener's secret weapon. Lay one down under your potting bench or work table to catch spilled soil and water. It makes cleanup a breeze and keeps your patio or deck tidy. Or use it as a ground barrier when you're planting or transplanting. No more kneeling in muddy grass or struggling with cleanup. Want to protect outdoor furniture or wood surfaces from rain and dirt? Cut the liner to size and use it as a waterproof layer under cushions, pots, or tools. You can also turn one into a makeshift greenhouse by draping it over a PVC or wire frame and anchoring the corners with stones. Instant humidity dome for your plants, especially helpful during early spring starts. A single liner gives you so many clever uses, and you'll wish you grabbed more than one. Item $17 tree aluminum baking trays. These aren't just for cookies, they're fantastic multitaskers in the garden. Use the shallow aluminum trays as drip catchers under pots to prevent water stains on your patio or porch. You can also fill them with pebbles and a bit of water to create quick DIY humidity trays for your more delicate plants. Need a mini seed starting station? Punch a few drainage holes in the bottom, add some soil and seeds, and you've got a lightweight portable grow tray you can move around to chase the sun. They're also great for sorting seeds, holding small garden tools, or transporting tiny seedlings without tipping everything over. Who knew baking trays could be so useful outside the kitchen? Item $18 tree mini chalkboards. These tiny treasures are often overlooked, but they're surprisingly versatile for garden organization, and they add such a sweet personal touch. Stick them into planters to label herbs or veggies. You can write the plant's name, the planting date, or even watering instructions if someone else helps you out in the garden. Want a charming touch for a garden party? Use them as place cards or menu signs stuck into pots or floral arrangements. The best part, they're reusable. Just wipe them clean and rewrite as needed. Whether you're organizing, labeling, or decorating, these mini chalkboards bring both charm and clarity to your outdoor space. Item 19. Plastic storage bins with lids. These aren't just for closets and pantries, they're a game changer in the garden too. Dollar Tree's plastic storage bins, especially the clear or semi-transparent ones with lids, can be used for everything from storing seeds to organizing garden tools and supplies. But here's the clever part. They also make fantastic mini greenhouses. Flip one over, place it on top of freshly planted seeds, and voila, you've created a warm, humid environment to encourage germination. The lid traps moisture and heat, acting like a mini dome for delicate seedlings. And when the season's over, use it to tuck away gloves, twine, or even those chalkboards we just talked about. It's neat, it's tidy, and it keeps your garden tools safe from weather and squirrels. Item 20. Metal cooling racks. Yes, the ones from the kitchen aisle. At first glance they may look like they're only good for cookies, but in the garden these metal cooling racks are surprisingly versatile. You can prop them up with wooden stakes to create instant trellises for climbing plants like peas, beans or morning glories. Want a budget-friendly way to protect young seedlings from curious critters? Lay the racks flat over your planting bed. They allow sunlight and water through but act as a mini cage barrier that rabbits and squirrels won't bother with. They're lightweight, easy to move, and surprisingly strong, an unexpected hero that brings structure and protection to your garden without spending big. Sometimes it's the most unexpected items that deliver the smartest garden solutions. Item 21. Mini decorative garden fencing. These little plastic fences might seem like a basic find, but oh what magic they add when used creatively. Dollar Tree usually carries them in white or black, and they're lightweight, snap-together pieces that can do so much more than just outline a flower bed. Line a pathway with them to create that charming storybook cottage feel, or use them to frame a raised container and give it a neat polished edge. Want to go more luxe? Paint them a matte gold or soft sage green. You can even trim and bend them into curved shapes to wrap around round planters or a corner nook. They're also perfect for keeping little pets or curious toddlers out of delicate spots without sacrificing style. Simple, yes, but they add structure, charm, and a subtle sense of order that really pulls your whole patio or garden together. Item 22. Decorative river rocks. It's amazing how something as small as a bag of Dollar Tree river rocks can completely shift the vibe of your garden. These smooth stones come in a mix of earthy tones, grays, browns, creamy whites, and they're perfect for those finishing touches that make your space look curated. You can layer them on top of soil in pots to give your planters a polished, professional finish. Or use them to edge a small herb garden or fill a shallow tray under a water feature for a spa-like feel. Want something even more creative? Paint a few with simple mandala designs or garden labels, then nestle them among your plants. They're cheap, heavy enough to stay put, and full of style. It's the little details that whisper, "Yes, I thought of everything." Item 23. Plant clips and ties. Training your plants to grow the way you want doesn't require fancy garden gear. Dollar Tree's plant clips and soft garden ties get the job done with ease and gentleness. Whether you're coaxing a tomato vine up a trellis or taming an unruly houseplant, these little helpers are essential. The clips are perfect for quickly securing stems without damaging them, and the twist ties come on handy spools so you can cut the length you need. They blend right into your greenery, keeping everything neat and supported. It's like having invisible hands tidying your plants behind the scenes, clean, quiet, and so satisfying. Item 24. Gardening aprons. It's not just about staying clean, it's about feeling equipped. Dollar Tree's gardening aprons may look simple, but they're a surprisingly practical item that makes every gardening session smoother. With deep front pockets for your gloves, seed packets, pruners, and even your phone, these aprons keep your essentials close, so you're not running back and forth every 5 minutes. The lightweight material is easy to rinse off, and the adjustable straps fit comfortably over whatever you're wearing. It's one of those items you don't realize you need, until you try it once, then you'll wonder how you ever gardened without it. Item 25. Garden trellises. Now here's the crown jewel of vertical gardening. Dollar Tree's garden trellises. Whether you're growing climbing roses, tomatoes, beans, or even morning glories, these lightweight plastic or wire trellises are absolute game changers. They instantly add structure to your space, guide unruly plants with elegance, and give your garden that polished, well-maintained look, without the cost of custom installations. Plus, you can group a few together for a makeshift privacy wall, or to create a dramatic entrance to your patio or walkway. It's one of the simplest ways to add height, drama, and beauty to your garden, without adding any stress to your wallet. That's a wrap on all 20+ must-have gardening tools every gardener needs. All from Dollar Tree. Each one is a small but mighty tool that makes gardening easier, prettier, and more enjoyable. Which one are you grabbing first? If you found this list helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy, affordable gardening tips from Timeless Garden. See you next time. Until then, happy planting.